Recording in.
All righty. This is a session recap for the 15th day of November. This morning we were watching as the dollar tried to make a turn to the upside, get a little correction going, but was not successful. Got an exhaustion wick here, and MACD tells you you're a seller. So we're still going with dollar weakness to the downside. All right. Now, dollar weakness to the downside changes everything we looked at this morning because we were looking for it to go up. All right. So if the dollar goes down, euro is going to go up, and we were looking for it to go down because the dollar was going up this morning. All right. So you put the new ATR on, and you can't trade it this time of day, so don't worry about it. But all right, so we put the ATR on for the day, and euro dollar has a 78 pip ATR. Find the 5 o'clock candle from yesterday right in there, but we put a new low in, so we take the new low for the day, and we go up 78 pips, and then the target is right there at 109.10. All right, nothing to do this time of day. You don't trade any of the majors during this time of day. Now, when the dollar was going up this morning, it went down, and it went to its ATR. Now you got a closing reverse to the upside. You're above the zero line here, so you can easily roll over and continue up. So you got to wait till 5 o'clock where you get a new ATR. Pound dollar has a 96 pip ATR right now. And so wherever this stops before 5 o'clock, find 96 pips to the upside if the dollar is going down. Peaceful, predictable, and profitable on ranges. Exactly right, Robin. Dollar Swissy. Dollar Swissy continuing on down here. Doesn't have much far to go here, but dollar is continuing on down. There's the closing reverse, same as the dollar index has. Unfortunately, the target is only right here. Dollar Swissy has a very low ATR, only 63 pips. All right, wait till 5 o'clock, get a new ATR around 63 pips. Dollar going down, look for it to go down 63 pips. All right, not rocket science. Dollar yen, all right? Dollar yen made the turn, big time, made the turn all the way up to the target. And look at the closing reverse there. Now remember, dollar is the base currency here. So this could very easily turn down. But because we did the ATR, we don't have, we have to wait till 5 o'clock to get a new ATR. Right now it's 106 pips. So watch for it tonight, and for 106 pips to the downside. Aussie dollar. Couldn't trade any of the majors today except for the GJ. That's it. And it flipped also. All right. So this morning we were watching for the Aussie to come out. It did come out, started down, didn't have enough room. They didn't have 55 pips, so they couldn't make the trade, and it didn't go. And now the dollar is going down, which means this is going to go up. All right. So watch for it to go up tonight. If the dollar keeps going down, 68 pip ATR, find the target, 68 pips up after 5 o'clock. Euro yen. All right, euro yen almost a target right now, right there. Follow this channel up. Notice how the histograms turned immediately when that turned. It's following, so they're trying to trend this thing. All right, not in a trend, but they're doing a trending move. Just a couple pips away from target now, 164.15 up there, and euro yen has an ATR of 108 pips. Pound yen, we tried to trade this all morning and never would break out of the symmetrical triangle. Then once it broke up here, we took everything off and went into a range. And sure enough, the range has proven itself to be a move to the top. You got to wait till 5 o'clock till you get a new ATR. Pound yen has 143 pip ATR. Look for 140 pips to the upside if the dollar goes down. Big if. New Zealand dollar. All right, so you can tell right away that unless you're watching the dollar, you're not trading, you're gambling. That's all there is to it. All right, same with New Zealand dollar. Broke out, had nowhere to go. It's back up in here. If the dollar goes down, it's going up. New Zealand dollar has a 62 pip ATR. Look for 62 pips up. All right. Aussie yen. All right, Aussie yen went to this target and went ahead and took the channel out right there. All right, now with dollar going down, Aussie yen should pull back and go again to the upside. Now they got to pull back. Why? Because they're at the top of the channel. There's no room. Nobody will buy up here, so they got to pull it back, most likely to the heart line. Watch for the bounce there, and then whatever the ATR is. Aussie yen ATR now is 81 pips. Wait for the pullback. Wait for 5 o'clock. Find 81 pips to the upside if dollar is still going down. Euro Aussie, all right, right down to its target, no problem at all. When the dollar was going up, they went down. All right, now dollar's going up. Going down. This should by rights break to the upside, but MACD says don't even think about that yet. So wait for 5 o'clock. You'll get new information. Euro Aussie is 123 pip ATR. Watch for 123 pips to the downside. Go with what the chart says it's doing. Same thing here. We got the pound Aussie right down to target right there. The average trader did make 121 pips on that last night. So nice job, everybody. All right. And they also made on that Euro Aussie 69 pips. All right. All right. So we're waiting. We already accomplished everything here. We got to wait for 5 o'clock and we got to find a new direction if it is even doing a new direction. Pound Aussie has an ATR of 129 pips. Euro New Zealand also right down to its target, no problem at all. Gee, I wonder if I should trade the ATR. I don't know. That doggone Scott, he's so lucky. Euro New Zealand, ATR on Euro New Zealand is 137 pips. As you see, no problem going 137 pips. There's another 137 pips down here. Well, this might be an ABC for to go up and come down again. It could be the turn right here. We'll have to watch it. We won't know anything till after 5 o'clock. Pound New Zealand, also down to its ATR to the pip there, and then went down to the next target. That's why you hold to the next target. Nothing to do here, but MACD says you need to continue to look for the downside move. All right. Now notice they have given 100% of that back. 100%. This is why Bill fades these things. All right. Pound New Zealand, 142 pips. New Zealand yen. New Zealand yen right up to the ATR. Daggone it, that ATR just keeps hitting it, right? All the time, it just hits that thing. Yeah, what can I tell you? New Zealand yen has an ATR of 77 pips. All right, watch for the continuation. We're above the zero line, 77 pips up. Can't trade Aussie Swissy or Aussie New Zealand. I don't have 55 pips in the ATR, but pound Swissy does, down to its target, to the pip to its target, and to the next target, and then to the next target, and didn't quite get there. All right, watch for 5 o'clock tonight, and pound Swissy has an ATR of 70 pips. Watch for 70 pips to the downside. All righty.